Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, your ultimate guide to turning your house into a dream home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever stood in front of a majestic, historic Victorian home and wished you could capture that timeless elegance without sacrificing modern comfort? Well, today we're diving into the enchanting world of modern Victorian house design, the perfect marriage of old-world charm and sleek, contemporary living. We're going to break down exactly what this style means, the benefits of embracing it, the best ways to decorate, and we'll show you our top 10 stunning examples you can use for inspiration. Get ready to design a home that is truly unique. Let's get started. Modern Victorian house design is a masterful architectural approach that takes the core elements of the traditional Victorian era. Think asymmetrical facades, steep gabled roofs, bay windows, decorative trim, and charming turrets, and updates them with contemporary sensibilities. This style intentionally moves away from the heavy ornamentation and dark, cluttered interiors often associated with the 19th century originals. Instead, it favors a simplified color palette, often using striking contrasts like black and white or subtle pastels, and incorporates materials like vast expanses of glass, sleek metals, and unadorned stone. The result is a home that possesses the gravitas and romantic silhouette of its historical predecessor, but feels airy, bright, and perfectly suited for 21st century living, prioritizing open-plan spaces and abundant natural light. Choosing a modern Victorian design offers a multitude of compelling benefits. First, it provides unmatched curb appeal and character. In a neighborhood of uniform homes, a modern Victorian immediately stands out with its intricate roof lines and captivating features, giving your home a true sense of history and grandeur. Secondly, this fusion allows for the best of both worlds in terms of livability. You get the high ceilings and generous proportions of a Victorian home, which are then enhanced by modern, open-concept layouts, maximizing light and flow. This makes the space feel larger and more functional for modern family life and entertaining. Finally, the design is inherently timeless and boosts property value. By maintaining classic architectural bones while incorporating modern amenities and clean design, your home remains highly desirable and relevant for decades, representing a solid investment. Decorating the exterior is key to nailing the modern Victorian look. The first step is to establish a strong, contrasting color scheme. Move beyond the traditional dark palettes and embrace the modern aesthetic with a base of crisp white, slate gray, or a soft sage green, using jet black or deep charcoal for trim, window frames, and railings. This contrast highlights the architectural details, the gingerbread trim, the brackets, and the decorative railings in a clean, graphic way. For the front entry, install a contemporary black or dark-stained wooden door with clean lines, contrasting beautifully against the lighter siding. Finally, integrate modern landscaping elements. Use symmetrical planters with clean lines, incorporate low stone walls or gabions, and strategically place modern exterior light fixtures to uplight the facade, drawing attention to its unique structure at night. The versatility of the Victorian style means it can be adapted into several beautiful modern variations. One of the most popular is the minimalist Victorian, where the focus is entirely on structure. It strips away almost all non-essential ornamentation, using only texture, material, and contrasting monochromatic colors like white siding and black trim to emphasize the classic silhouette. Another fantastic style is the industrial Victorian. This version keeps the classic form but uses modern industrial materials like raw brick, exposed steel beams, and expansive, floor-to-ceiling black-framed windows, creating a grittier, loft-like feel within the historic shell. Finally, the contemporary painted lady embraces the multicolored tradition of the Victorian era, but uses a more sophisticated, muted palette of 3 or 4 colors, like dove gray, navy blue, and cream, to give it a distinctly contemporary and elegant edge. The key across all these styles is balance, honoring the past while designing for the present. Here are our top 10 favorite examples of modern Victorian homes, each showcasing a unique way to blend history with contemporary design. 1. The tall and narrow tower house. Evening grandeur in slate and charcoal. This striking design exemplifies the minimalist Victorian style, showcasing a tall, narrow structure with dramatic, dark charcoal siding. The classic bay window and conical turret are the stars, brought into the modern age with sharp, unadorned lines and large, multi-pane windows that glow warmly against the evening sky. The simple, geometric front steps and minimal landscaping keep the focus entirely on the formidable, elegant silhouette. 2. The dark contemporary castle. Sleek urban Victorian with curving balcony. A bold, contemporary interpretation of the Victorian form, this house uses dark, matte brick and siding to create a striking, monolithic appearance. The design masterfully incorporates a modern, sweeping curved balcony and a contrasting sharp, pointed turret, perfectly blending mass and lightness. The minimalist driveway and subtle, focused landscape lighting enhance the dramatic, sophisticated atmosphere of this urban dwelling. 3. Black and white neo-Victorian contrast, crisp contrast with balcony and stone accents. This design achieves a perfect balance between Victorian charm and modern polish. The sharp white siding and stark black window trim offer high contrast, while a stone-clad first-floor facade grounds the structure. The upper balcony, a classic Victorian element, is treated with a modern, clean railing, providing a functional outdoor living space and breaking up the verticality of the grand entrance. 4. The soft blue San Francisco classic, pastel painted lady with intricate detail. Capturing the essence of a classic San Francisco painted lady, this home uses a soft, sophisticated light blue and cream palette. The modern update lies in the restrained use of color and the pristine condition of the intricate gingerbread trim. The tall, tiered entrance and bay window structure emphasize the home's historic Victorian lineage while feeling fresh and inviting. 5. Seamless indoor-outdoor integration. Open-plan urban oasis with historic ironwork. This design brilliantly showcases how to integrate a Victorian rear facade with modern living. The traditional upper balcony with its intricate black wrought iron railing contrasts beautifully with the ground floor, which features expansive, floor-to-ceiling glass sliding doors. When open, these doors create a seamless flow from the sleek kitchen/dining area to the modern, paved patio and lawn, the ultimate modern amenity. 6. The Sage Green Southern Charmer. Elegant craftsman Victorian porch fusion. A delightful fusion of Victorian structure and craftsman porch detailing. The muted sage green siding and crisp white railings lend a refined, modern feel. The large covered front porch is inviting, while the classic corner turret with its large bay window and the central oval window offer clear Victorian hallmarks, all elegantly lit to create a warm, welcoming glow at dusk. 7. Historic brick meets glass extension. Dramatic Victorian rear extension with full glass wall. This image illustrates the ultimate modern adaptation, preserving the beautiful, traditional brick Victorian structure while adding a breathtaking contemporary extension. The new addition is a minimalist white box featuring a single, enormous glass wall that floods the modern, open-plan interior with light and offers uninterrupted views of the landscape garden, a perfect blend of old and new. 8. Grand white facade with arched stone entry. Luxurious farmhouse Victorian with stone archway. This design leans into a luxurious modern farmhouse aesthetic, built upon a Victorian framework. The sharp white siding is complemented by striking stone cladding, particularly around the grand arched entryway. Multiple balconies with clean, modern railings offer expansive views, and the tall, dark-trimmed windows maximize light, creating an imposing yet warmly sophisticated street presence. 9. The classic brick queen and style. Timeless queen and porch and turret design. A superb example of traditional queen and Victorian style, perfect for extracting key modern updates. The expansive wraparound porch, brick base, and charming gazebo provide historic character. A modern approach here would involve simplifying the porch railing color to a stark white and using a darker, cleaner palette on the roofing and trim to reduce visual clutter. 10. Mint green turret house with front porch. Soft green cottage Victorian with gabled details. This house features a gentle, inviting color scheme of mint green and white, offering a softer take on the modern Victorian. The design incorporates multiple prominent gables and a classic conical turret over a large bay window. The integration of a two-car garage is subtly managed, and the simple front porch with a small bench provides an approachable, comfortable feel. The modern Victorian style is more than just a renovation. It's a revival, a chance to honor architectural history while demanding the best of modern comfort and style. Whether you simplify the trim, play with dramatic color contrast, or integrate a seamless glass extension, this approach allows you to build a home with a soul, not just a structure. Which of these 10 incredible designs inspired you the most? Do you prefer the striking contrast of black and white, or the dramatic effect of the full glass extension? Let me know in the comments below. And if you love this deep dive, please like this video and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more inspiring architecture and design content every week. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video on maximizing your home's potential. We'll see you in the next one.